Those are your glasses? No.
Sorry, I just put them on so I can see.
That's important. Danielle puts her glasses on. She's about to get down to work. I love that we're in such good spirits at 3:30 in the morning in downtown Oakland fixing a flat tire. Alright, let's see. So you should put your knee into it. There we go. Almost. Should like lean into it. There we go. Just like that. Almost. I know you can get it.
Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh. What the? Dude.
If you bend your back knee.
Oh, you're an expert now.
Yeah, I'm totally an expert. There, yes. Oh no.
Definitely not. Okay. Okay. Wow. I love how this one is taking like 30 minutes. Come on.
There we go.
Okay. Oh, yes.
Yes? There you go.
Yeah. Oh. Oh. There we go.
You got it? That's what I'm talking about. Woo!